Folks, my name is Ezra Ondara. I am a content creator based in the city of Nakuru. I do real estate content, I do house hunting in Nakuru, and I do vlogs around Nakuru. Today, I am at London Estate in Nakuru. This is the closest estate to town. Now, I'm about to present a one-bedroom furnished apartment. Call it an Airbnb, okay? And if you're coming to Nakuru and if you're looking for an apartment that is very close to town, you know, for short-term stay, or even long term, then you might consider this one here at London. All right, so 1.5 km to Nakuru CBD, a place that you can just drop to Westside Mall. You do your shopping, you can drop to the hotels in town, Oleken, Waterback, Teddy's, etc. Have dinner, lunch, etc. You can even go to Teddy's to Nini for swimming. Folks, if you are looking for something that is, services are just easy to access from, then you may consider this one bedroom. So let me present it right away. So I've told you I am at London. This is how London looks like, okay? So you have a nice tarmac road, you know, coming to this place, okay? That tarmac road is the one that goes to town. It drops to town. So our landmark is Axis Apartment, okay? That one there, that is Axis Hotel rather, Axis Hotel, okay? That is our landmark. But the apartment is this one here. So it doesn't have a name. So that's why I have said, let us use Axis Hotel as the landmark. All right, so let's go in and we go inside the apartment and see how things are there. Sindio? Aya. So first thing first, you can see we have, you know, enough parking there. That's my car, and there are other cars parked here. So there is sufficient parking. Nakuru, are you ready to redefine your grocery shopping? We are all familiar with the chaos in most markets around the country. People knocking you around with their luggage, touts pulling you left and right, and all the noise in the market. Well, enters Fine Choice Groceries. These guys will do all the grocery shopping for you, be it fresh veggies, assorted fruits, dry and fresh cereals, herbs, you name it. All you have to do is pick up your phone, call 0705 551102 to place your order. Alternatively, visit their website at finechoice.co.ke. And that's what's up. Get hand-picked items delivered to your doorstep by just a call. Very well, folks. Our apartment is on 4th floor, okay? There I am. It has a nice clean balcony, you know, front balcony. And then that's the unit, you know, that's the unit. Yeah, so they have done a 4-seater dining table there, you know, just a cozy one. And we have a 3-seater on that side, and another, you know, 1-seater there, okay? So you have a TV there for entertainment, and of course, some nice touches in the house, you know, for aesthetics, okay? Yeah, there is your water, you know, water dispenser, and of course, welcome to our home. Now, we have Wi-Fi here, we have internet, and it is Safaricom Home Fiber, which is important. So let me just show you one more time how that entire space looks like. I like their curtains here, you know, these nude, you know, colors. I like that. right? So that's the entire space again from the door. All right, so we proceed like this, and in this corridor, yeah, there's a corridor there. Okay, yeah, just some more space at least, even for folks to move around or do push-ups. So that is the toilet. Okay, it is a separate toilet and a bathroom. All right, so how things are going. And the shower is in this side. Okay, with a shower head there. All right, that's the bathroom. Very well. So advancing straight, we go to the kitchen. Okay, it's a spacious kitchen. It is a spacious kitchen. Let me show you one more time how large it is. You see, nice tiles overall. So you have your utensils there, some glasses, plates, cutlery all over, some stuff for you to prepare your food, and you have sufficient storage for your food again, and other stuff that you may bring here. It could be a long-term stay or something. And of course, there is your microwave and refrigerator. Okay, folks, tell me now, there's one thing that I really loved here, and it is this cozy place outside. Okay, on this balcony. You see, I really loved this spot. I just came here, sat here. Okay, this spot for two, and now you can imagine, just look at the views to that side. You get some fresh air. There are trees all around. This is why I love Nakuru, for the green. Awesome, wonderful space indeed. Right, now going back in, maybe just one more look at that space. I really love that space, and it is private. That side, there are no neighbors, nobody's watching you from that side. And even on this side, it is a private space. I like that space. Okay, so let me go in and check out the rest of the house. We are going to the bedroom. I've told you it is a 1-bedroom. Ideally, the house is a 2-bedroom, but one of the bedrooms is not furnished. That will be done soon. So that's our bed there, a huge 5x6 bed, So you can come as a couple, you can come as an individual, and I can bet you're going to have a comfortable sleep here, right? And of course, you can see it is a spacious bedroom, and you have a lot of storage in the wardrobes there. See? Okay, so there is that carpet, at least to warm your legs while you sit at that space. Isn't it nice? Okay, you can see, it is a spacious room. This is a 5x6 bed, but you can see there is a lot of room to move around. And of course, I like their curtains. This is something that I love, the nude colors, I really love these curtains. And again, this window brings in a lot of natural light into the room. Wonderful. Just see, this is daytime. Wow. And of course, it is en suite. So you have your toilet there. And on the opposite, we have the shower area. Okay, that's the shower head. So that space there on the opposite, that's the shower area. Yeah, wonderful. One more look of that bed area from this side, and basically that's it. So we have another extra room there. This is unfurnished, so let me just close it. Now I need to go inside, but very soon it will not be a 1-bedroom furnished apartment, but it will be 2. Wonderful. So up to that point, I'm just going to sit here and wind up. Okay. Very well, folks, that's it from this 1-bedroom apartment, furnished apartment, Airbnb. at London in Nakuru. This is so close to town for those who want, short-term rentals that are close to Nakuru CBD. This is the place. So per night they are renting for 3,500. I was about to say 35,000. I'm used to the thousands for apartments for rent. So 3,500 Kenya shillings per night, and of course for long-term stays they can always give you a discount. So call the number on your screen for reservations. Aya, see you in the next one. Remember, when it comes to house hunting in Nakuru, Ezra Ondara is the way, the truth, and the only way. Aya.